Hi guys, so today I'm going to be applying the Crown bronzers. And I'm first going in with the shade Medium. This is a lovely warm bronzer, and I find that this shade in particular is nice and pigmented, so it doesn't take too much building up to get the colour payoff, which is nice. So I'm taking that under my cheekbones to chisel out that area, and also around my hairline to frame the face. So next I'm going in with the shade Dark, and this I find is a little bit more cool in undertone than Medium, so I like that to contour rather than bronze. So I'm sculpting out the cheeks a little bit more. You can see I'm scooping around the apple of my cheek as well to help give that kind of sculpted effect. And again, I'm also going to take it around my hairline, and then I'll also run it under my jawline to help conceal any double chin action. But using different shades of bronzers and contours will help give a more dimensional and blended effect. So then I'm going to move on to a nose contour, and the thing with nose contour is that it can quickly get out of hand and can look very heavy-handed very easily. So I find that the key is to go in with something that's not too dark. So I'm going in with the shade Light here, and I'm taking it on a little eye blending brush. So I'm running that down the sides of the nose, but bringing it in a little bit to obviously slim the nose down and get that effect that you want. And I'm also connecting it into the eye crease, into the eye socket, so that it's more of a natural shadow. It's not just two lines coming out of nowhere on the side of your nose. They're actually connecting into your bone structure. And again, it can get out of hand very quickly, so just take a little bit at a time and use a light hand. And then I'll also run a little bit under the tip of the nose just to make sure that it's not appearing too long. So next I'm moving on to the eyes, and this is a trick I like to use an awful lot when I'm getting ready in a hurry or I don't have much time and I want something quick and easy, is to use your bronzers as eyeshadows. So I'm starting with the shade Light, so the lightest shade that I was just using on the nose, and I'm taking that through the crease and blending it up nice and high because it's acting as a transition shade. And I'm also running it under my eye as well. And because we're using the very same shades on our eyes as we did on our face, it's going to create a very cohesive look as a whole. And then I'm going in with the shade Medium and using that as a crease colour to deepen up that crease. So I'm starting on just on the corner of the lid and then buffing it right across the crease line. And again, I'll run some of that under the eye as well. And finally going in with a little bit of the dark shade on the very outer corner of the eye, just to add a little bit more dimension. And then that completes the look using the Crown bronzers. So here's a before. And here's the after. So you can see it's very bronzy yet very natural and very easy to do. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.